Here to catch you guys up. All 74 of my subscribers. Love y'all. Mwah. Just got my frame pulled. I know in a more professional sense, one would consider that car to be totaled. I'm not going to say professional. I'm going to say more of a insurance looking at it type of thing. That car was 100% totaled. 100% totaled, but in the front end. But, don't care. Someone actually told me I should just go buy a whole new one. Now, because it's a manual and they're on the rear side, just swap over my transmission and my interior, like the trim in the middle. What do I look like doing all that? What the hell do I look like? Why would you even say that? I forgot who it was that said that, but why would you even say that? I'm not doing that. No. So, we really stand down with this one, big time. I ain't never been so committed to time as I am to this goddamn car, boy. So I have my whole frame pulled by a coworker of mine. I'm not gonna lie. From where it was, it's not perfect, but from where it was, oh boy, like the pictures I have of when it was still all bent up, I didn't really get too good of like a look into just how extensive the damages were, but they were bad. I'm talking about bad, like not good at all. The damage, like my frame, if we're being honest, was done. I remember I had a Honda Civic, and I hydroplaned, and I hit a curb, and I like messed up the driver's side rear wheel. The axle was broken, the lower control arm was probably broken. I didn't even get a good look at it. I just know when the insurance said it was totaled, I just let the car go, right? And when I say the frame was bent, it was like a little tiny. It was savable. It was just because the mileage was high. They called it a total loss, but that was totaled. So if that was totaled, I know for a figgity fact this car is totaled, beyond it. Like it was. Just know, Mike, what you do, because he really whipped that car into shape, got it right together. So, got my frame pulled, threw 2 new fenders on it. I already had a new hood for the car. Ben had a new hood, and I was all hyped, so I went and put it on. But the hood hinges were not, they were like, I've looked at that car damaged for so long. I thought the hood hinges were supposed to go like this, like they had a whole arc going that way and the other side going that way. I thought it was supposed to. That's how bad it was. I'm not gonna lie, they shot pretty good for it to actually be bent. And when I say bent, like describing a hood hinge, like this is where it bolts up, this is where it bolts up to the hood, frame, hood, and in the middle there's like a point where they connect, and it's like a little joint in it. The joint was bent. That shouldn't even be able to, boy, man. So, replace the hood hinges. Just, man, just know that car, the engine's not in yet, but it came a long way body-wise, a long way. The car's been sitting for what, a year and a half now, maybe more. The car's come a long way. I'm glad that I'm being patient, taking my time with it. I'm gonna make this car everything I want out of a project car. Everything that I'm gonna take. I'm really taking my time. I'm blessed to have a daily driver to where I'm able to take my time. I'm not in so much of a rush to get it back on the road, because this car at one point was my daily stick shift and all. It was my daily driver for a year. So I'm in a position where I could take my time. As bad as I don't want to take my time, I can take my time. But this car is truly coming together. So enough chitter chat from your boy. Let's get to it, Donnie.